Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. To this video, we have a very interesting problem. The problem is the numbers n are recursively defined by n is equal to 3, an minus 1 minus 2, an minus 2. And we have a1 is 11 and a2 is 21. Then we need to show n is equal to 5 times 2 power n plus 1. Okay, so again, we will prove this by mathematical induction method. Okay, so first let us denote this statement by Pn. Let Pn denote the above statement. So for n equal to 1, we have a1, and by the formula it is 5 into 2 power 1 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So we get a1 is 11, and exactly a1 is given by 11. So this implies that p1 is 2. I can calculate for n equal to 2. So then a2 is 5 times 2 square plus 1. So this is 20 plus 1, which is 21. So again we get a2 is 21. So p2 is also 2. So now let, by induction argument, pn is true. So that implies that n is equal to 5 times 2n plus 1. Now we need to show p of n plus 1 is true. So that implies we need to show n plus 1 is equal to 5 times 2n plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now we will derive this by using this recursive relation. So what is n plus 1? So n plus 1 is 3n minus 2an minus 1. Okay, so now this formula of n is given here. So n is 3 times 5 into 2 power n plus 1. And by this formula, what is an n minus 1? It is 5 into 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. So we get 15 times 2n plus 3, 10 times 2 power n minus 1 minus 2. So here we get 15 times 2n minus 10 times 2n minus 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we will write this as 15 times 2 into 2 power n minus 1 minus 10 into 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. So this is nothing but 30 times 2 power n minus 1 minus 10 times 2 power n minus 1, and then we have plus 1. So 30 minus 10 is 20, so 20 times 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. Now 20 we can write as 5 times 4 into 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. Now what is 4? 4 is 2 squares. So 5 times 2 square into 2n minus 1 plus 1. So 2 square and 2 times 2 power n minus 1 is 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. So we get n plus 1 is equal to 5 times 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. So eventually we get that p of n plus 1 is true. So we get p of 1 is true, and if we assume p of n is true, then that will implies p of n plus 1 is true. So by mathematical induction, we can say that Pn is true for every n. So hence we get that a power n is equal to 5 into 2 power n plus 1 for every n.